Most of us think that a black hole is a hole in a space, but that's not right. In fact, a black hole is an object with a huge mass within a very small radius. That is, the black hole is the super dense object. Now, the question is how dense? To give an example, suppose I have a ball whose mass is 2 solar mass. Now, it is transformed into a black hole. Now, what is its radius? In the first case, in the general form, we have an equation that R equals to 3m, where capital R indicates that the radius of the black hole in kilometer unit, and the capital M indicates that the mass of this black hole in solar unit, solar mass unit. So, what is its radius? R equals to 3m, 3 into 2 solar mass, 3 into 2, 6 kilometer. That means in a very small distance, that the radius is just only 6 kilometers, just like a medium sized city. Here we have an object, the radius of 6 kilometer, which mass is supremely high, greater than our sun in 2 times. To think more deeply, let's see how small the radius of an object needs to be without any change in its mass in order to convert it into a black hole. So we have another equation, that's R subscript S or R subscript G, they like same. Suppose R subscript G equals to 2gm by c square, where R subscript G indicates the Schwarzschild radius. But what is a Schwarzschild radius? The definition of Schwarzschild radius is, suppose I have a ball, but it's not any black hole, it's just a normal ball, but I want to transform it into a black hole, but without any changes his mass. So how? So we need to squeeze its radius, but how much? This is a Schwarzschild radius. That means, what is the value of a Schwarzschild radius? This value indicates that if you squeeze this object's radius without changing its mass, it's make a black hole. Just like an example, our Earth's mass is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilograms. If we want to convert our Earth into a black hole, we need to squeeze its radius in near about 9 millimeter. So if we create our Earth's radius to convert into near about 9 millimeter, so our Earth make a black hole. This time we will know what is the temperature in the black hole. Is it too hot or too cold? We need to know first. An object whose temperature is 0 Kelvin has no radiation. But we know that in the case of black holes, Hawking radiation can be seen even in small amounts. Therefore, the temperature of the black hole is higher than 0 Kelvin, but the radiation is so weak that its temperature is close to 0 Kelvin but not 0. H equals to A sigma T to the power minus 4. From this equation, it is easily known that the larger the size of the black hole, the lower its temperature, and the smaller its size, the higher its temperature. Now, the more matter a black hole consumes, the more its mass will increase. That is, we get from R equals to 3m. That its radius will increase and its temperature will decrease. Now, this universe is also growing, which means it is also getting colder. So the black hole will try to cool down and emit radiation in line with it. So the black hole will gradually evaporate.